Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Blavianus Pasuki Salu. My Mayor Nautical Department. I'm from AMI-IP Makassar.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sarul. My major nautical department. I am from AMI Makassar. So, will me why to Pondok Deva?
Yes. From here, go along this way. There's intersection. Turn left. First right. Then go to the right. Beside the first house, there's Pondok Deva.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Excuse me, could you tell me the way to Pondok Deva?
Yes. For Kirkolo, straight there is intersection. Turn left. Turn right. Turn right. The side the fire house there is Pondok Deva.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.